From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 15 of 2025 WAEC Mathematics OBJ says, the radius and height of a circular base cylinder are 8 cm and 40 cm respectively. Find its curved surface area. So if this is a cylinder, this is the radius and this is the height. Radius is 8 cm and the height is 14 cm. We're asked to find the curved surface area. It's just for you to recall the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area is simply 2 pi arrow h. And so 2 times, we are asked to take pi as 22/7. Our radius is 8 and our height is 14. 2 times 22 is 44 times 8 times 14/7. If we times this and divide, we'll get 704 centimeter square. Thank you for watching. Bye.